Ever send a message you instantly regretted? Today, I'll show you exactly how to delete Instagram messages for both you and the recipient, giving you back control over your chats. First, open your Instagram app and navigate to the chat where the message you want to delete resides. Find the conversation from your inbox, then tap on it to open the message thread. Once inside the chat, locate the specific message you want to remove now. And this is crucial, long press on the message you want to vanish. This will reveal a new set of options. A menu will pop up from the list. You'll see various options, including reply and copy. Select the last option here, Unsend. After tapping Unsend, Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision. Once more, tap Unsend again to finalize the deletion. Boom, the message is gone, and it's removed from both your conversation history and the recipient's. A small notification will appear in the thread indicating it was removed. Remember, this process will work with multiple individual messages or a whole load of them. Knowing how to delete messages from both sides protects your privacy and how your chats are perceived, so the next time you need to make messages disappear, you know exactly what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.